Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about the equation of a line given the slope and 1 point on the line. Okay, so number 1. The slope of a line is -2 and 1 point on the line is x is 2, y is 3. So, we will find the equation of the line. So, ang gagawin muna natin dito, sulat muna natin yung given. Okay? So, yung given natin, yung slope, that is equal to -2. Ito yung slope. Tapos, yung x sub 1 is +2. Yung y sub 1 is +3. Ito yung x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1. So, since isa lang yung point na given, so we will let x and y be any point on the line other than x is 2, y is 3. So therefore, yung formula natin, that is slope or m equals y minus y sub 1 over x, kasi gagawa tayo ng equation, di ba? So minus x sub 1. So i-substitute natin yan, or substitute yung value ng ating slope na -2 equals y minus y sub 1 is 3 over x minus x sub 1 is x sub 1 is 2. Okay? Then, ang gagawin natin, we have to cross multiply or i-multiply natin si -2 kay x minus 2. So, -2 times x minus 2 equals, ito naman, di ba mayroong over 1 dyan? So, i-multiply natin yan. So, 1 times y minus 3. So, y minus 3. Then, simplify natin using distributive property. I-multiply natin yan si -2 times x. That is -2x. At saka si -2, multiply natin kay -2, that is +4. Equals, kopyahin natin si y minus 3. Okay, so dito tayo sa taas konti. So, -2x, si y, transpose natin yan sa left side. So, from positive, magiging negative y na yan. Equals 3. So, ito yung 4. So, from positive, mag-transpose tayo, magiging -4 na yan. So, -3 pala ito. -3, tapos -4. So, -2x minus y equals -7. Or, pwede mong i-divide or i-multiply both members of the equation by negative. So, the result is 2x or positive 2x plus y equals +7. Bakit nagiging positive lahat yan? Kasi kapag mag-divide tayo or mag-multiply ng negative, yan, both members of the equation, so the result is positive. So that's why ito na yung final answer natin. 2x plus y equals +7. Okay, next, proceed tayo sa example number 2. Okay, number 2, the slope of a line is 3 and 1 point on the line is x is -2, y is +4. So, find the equation of the line. So, again, mag-given tayo. Sulat natin yung given. Yung slope or yung m is equal to +3. So, yung x sub 1 is -2. This one. Okay, then yung y sub 1, that is equal to +4. So, ganun pa rin gagamitin natin. Mag-let x and y tayo. Okay? Be any point on the line other than x is -2, y is +4. Kasi isa lang yung point na binigay sa ating problem. Okay? So, yung formula, the slope is equal to y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. So, yung slope natin is +3. Then, y, tapos y sub 1 is +4 over x tapos minus x sub 1 na negative 2. Okay, close natin yan. So, tuloy tayo. 3 equals, kopyahin mo na yan, si y minus 4 over x plus 2. Bakit nagiging x plus 2 yan? Kasi nga, i-multiply natin yan si negative times negative 2, that is positive 2. Okay, then i-cross multiply natin yan. I-multiply natin yan si 3 at saka si x plus 2 equals, di ba mayroong over 1 dyan? So, 1 times y minus 4 is y minus 4. Okay, simplify natin. Dito tayo sa taas. 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 2, or positive 2, that is positive 6 equals y minus 4. Okay, then i-transpose na natin yung y sa left side at saka si 6 sa right side. So, 3x minus y equals 4, or negative 4 pala. Lipat yung kanila. Negative 4. So, si 6 naman, magiging negative 6. So, 3x minus y equals negative 10. Kasi kapag i-add natin yan, okay, the same sign, the result is, ang gagawin dyan, we have to copy the common sign na negative, then add. So, negative 10. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay po, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page na Sir Ariel Math Review. Okay po, so maraming salamat and God bless.